Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And if you're new, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your groups public for others to join on Zotero. So you want to sign into your account and click on groups at the top. Then you'll find those groups that you have created. And as you can see, for example, this group here is a private group. So if I want to make this public, I can easily go ahead and click on the group itself. Once I click on the group, I'm able to go to the group settings here. So guys, in order to change the group from private to public, you can simply click on the library settings at the top. Here at the top, you have three settings. You have the group settings, membership settings, and library settings. Click on the library settings, and here you can change the group type. And you have two type of public options. You have the public open, which you can click on, and you also have the public close, and you can make different changes to it as well. Now, right under this section where it says library reading, you can switch this to make it open to anyone with the internet or just members. It's really up to you what you want. But once you're done, just go ahead and make the same. Just go ahead and hit the save changes at the bottom here to save the changes to your group. And that's going to allow you to basically save the settings to your group. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to change your group from private to public on Zotero.